Okay, here we go. I just had to show everybody something. Well, this is just a normal pizza, but I know it says 4 meats. Right here, 4 meats. But I'm gonna spice it up a bit. Got my bacon bits, got my hamburger meat. So I guarantee that doesn't have any hamburger meat in there. Might have a lot of sausage and other things, but no hamburger meat. You got pepperoni and a little thing that I can actually put extra on there. Chopped up grilled onions, or I mean chopped up onions and peppers. Yeah, I can actually make grilled onions in there if I wanted to, but I just put raw because they end up being cooked in the oven here anyway. But anyway, I just put my onions and green peppers in the pizza here, and all those extra meats I got in the refrigerator. So anyway, I just had to show you people I can actually spice up the pizza a bit. And one more thing I usually add to the pizza. This. I mean, I don't add a bunch on there, like pour it on like everybody else does. I usually, see right around the edges right here, I don't like a dry pizza. Right around the edge is always dry. It's always dry. It's flavorless. So I actually put some sauce here and there, just little spots. And if I see an empty spot, I actually cover it with this stuff here. Give it more flavor. So that's how I actually spice up my pizza a bit. Give it a little bit more flavor. Although this ain't spicy, it's mild. So, but anyway, this is what I do with my tombstone pizza, or Red Barons, or any other kind of bake yourself your own pizza in your own oven and put extra stuff in there. That's what I'm doing tonight. So, okay, here we go. And this is how you work up a pizza. But anyway, when I first opened this up, all those pepperoni pieces were all piled up in one little spot. I hate when they do that crap and it's not sorted out. See all the pepperoni pieces are rigged up? That's the way it's supposed to look. But anyway, there's the green peppers, onions all over the place. And see the little dry spots on the edges of the crust? I put that pecani sauce on there so it wouldn't be dry when you take your bite out of that one spot. So mostly all around. Now this is what I call a pizza, right? But anyway, now you know how to perk it up yourself. So one more thing I forgot to add. I would make a video of me eating the pizza, but I wouldn't want no guys looking at me and start playing with themselves.
That's fucking nasty.
Otherwise, you probably regret it in the future, and then somebody will make a video about you, a really bad video about you. So